see. It's wrapped pretty well. So it's double bubble wrap. So this is the Royal KLUDGE M75. This is the box. This is the back of the box. So yeah, manufactured in China, I think. Let's open it. Okay, so it has one plastic. And this is the keyboard as a knob here, and has a like a tiny display here. This is how it sounds. Space bar. They kind of sound different, especially this one. But this one feels nice to type on. Okay, at the back, so we have stand, and then yeah, it says here the model made in China. Then these are the ports at the back. This one is the keyboard dongle. And then it can also switch between Windows and Mac. You just have to press the function key, and here's the function key to switch between Windows and Mac. And then what else? It has a manual here. If you want to check that out. What else? It has. Oops. Zoom in a bit. So it has this keycap remover, and it also has spare switch because it's hot swappable. But maybe we'll try that in the future if it breaks. Alright, so this one is the keycap remover. So we'll try it from this delete key. How does it work? Like that? It doesn't fit. That's weird. Yeah, how can I remove it? Yeah. Bro. Yeah, right, I made a scratch on the scroll lock. And there, I'm not sure if you see it, but that one made a scratch. And that's right. So the cable, I think, then turns USB. It's about just 1 meter cable. White type C. Okay, I'll talk about the functionality of the keyboard. So right now it's turned on. To turn it off, just hold the volume knob. So you just focus, and there's a display there. So yeah, it's turned off. There's no lights. And then just hold again, turn on. Then it will do a boot up. Then it would show the battery percent 52, 2.4 as I'm using the dongle and speaker icon. So let's see if we move it down to 0. No, nothing happens really. It's just changing on my screen. What if I try to mute? Nothing. So this speaker icon doesn't change. It's always like that. Then if I tap on the knob, one tap, you have the option to choose if you go USB, USB 2.4 is the dongle, Bluetooth 1, 2, 3, and return. So yeah, there's 3 Bluetooth functions. Right now I'm using the dongle because my desktop does not have a Bluetooth. And then for the lights, you see there is a icon here. This icon, it means that's to change the lights. There's also one here on the less than sign. So let me show you how that works. I'll turn off autofocus, and then FN, and then this one. So that's turned off, or it's just cycling white because I chose single color. Now if you want RGB, yeah, scrolling. If you want to select other colors, you have to do this one now, FN, then less than. Then you can change to single color, and then maybe go back to our RGB. Like that. Okay, now let's do the typing test.
Sa baba.